Teague.
Navin, how are you?
Hi, sir. Nice to see you.
Great to see you. Thank you for having us today.
Oh, welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, Navin Dimond.
This is a former schoolhouse.
I heard that. How did you turn a schoolhouse into a hotel?
Wearing the right lens, I think it's all about vision. And if you can put it together, you can get a hotel. And we are this close to opening, so it's an exciting time.
Let's go look at it.
Yeah, let's
Jump
do it.
around.
Come on. The restaurant and the bar to the right, and if you look through the windows there, you'll see the convention center. When's the last time you ever had a corridor this wide in a hotel? That was a lesson plan from September 9th, 1916.
Oh, wow.
So this is an actual lesson plan that you would have arrived in your classroom and the teacher would have put up. This is the lesson plan for the day. When I first walked in this building, which was probably some 6 years ago, it was a closed building. It wasn't operating. There's dust everywhere. The school district owned it, and they were very interested in what happens to the building, right? Because this is this legacy around Emily Griffith Opportunity School. And since this was really the first true home of the school, there was a lot of importance put on the future of the building. We had this piece commissioned. Emily is in this piece of art. See if you find her. Well done. Her signature piece was her hat. So you will see Emily Griffiths, and she's always wearing this hat. Well, let's go downstairs and we'll look at some of the meeting space down there.
I'm having flashbacks to high school.
You've got a historic building, but you want a modern experience, right? You don't want an experience from 1927. You want today's experience. So these cameras are placed in multiple locations. They will rotate, they'll go to the speaker. One will stay on the entire room. You know, AV guys have figured that out, and we told them that this is a really missing link that people really haven't thought about.
Let's go see a room.
Okay, let's do it. Well, now you get this sense of this 400-foot corridor.
Erase you. Knock, knock.
All right, here we go.
Could you tell when you walked into the building? Okay, here's the wall to wall, here's the windows. We can make this work.
I got a pretty good sense, and there's certain key things you look at, and you sort of nailed them. Is one of my basic room dimensions. Can I get it in there? Can I make it work? That's probably the original piece of glass. So here's the clocks, old hinges from the school. It's just what we found. It's the paying homage to the, to the person, to the building. I think of life in some respects as people who touch us, places that touch us, institutions that touch us, and make us who we are. And I think education is one of those that touches us to our core. And it helps us become a better human being, to become more productive, to live a better life, and to pass that on. And I think this institution did a lot of that. If it's her legacy, then it's incumbent on people like me and us to tell the story. But I think what it does is inspires others to do more of the same and to do good. And make the world a better place. Well, I've done a handful of 14ers, and I've done a few mountains around the world, so a few.
I'm just having fun.